In this tutorial, you will learn how to use KAVA Magic Button in Elementor. Let's take a look on Elementor Library first. Elementor Library consists of three main tabs: Blocks, Pages and My Templates. In Blocks and Pages, you can find regular and Pro Elementor ready-made sections, which you can use to design your website and customize it according to your needs. My Templates is a storage for pages and sections, which you can create and save during your work in Elementor, and it will be saved in JSON format. And now, let's hover and click on Magic Button. Inside KAVA's library, you could select from over 300 plus perfectly styled pages and demos to use on designing your website, blog, online store or else. You could also sort its functionality per categories. Powered by Modular Constructor, KAVA theme has an easy-to-use modular interface to help you in creating an eye-catching content. Let's try to put one of their design into our website. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.